afternoon. I am on my way to a waterfall. It's called Balaa, and I'm not far from it now. I'm on the last leg of the journey after 2.5 hours. I forgot to start filming from up there, but there's a track nicely done, look, and it looks quite exciting actually. I mean, going down is looking very easy. It's just the way up, but we'll think about that later on. Excuse the voice. Excuse me. Thank you.
Willkommen zurück.
So did I scare it? There's a white lizard, and from the sound of it. Okay. So guys, hang on a second. There is a motorized zip line, right? And there's the monkey bridge. Oh, that's the monkey bridge. Okay. I just want to get to the actual waterfall, and then I'll take it from there. Long night last night, right? I set off early this morning, and I stopped along the way, you know. I took it easy, but before you know it, it's midday, and it's supposed to be really worthwhile, this place. So I'm thinking, just follow the track. Nice couple. She's Lebanese, her husband is French, and I just told them a fact. Happy days. Okay. Well, usually you could go down, you know, hang through the ceiling from there, but obviously it's not in season. Oh. Wow. Yeah, look, I don't know. I hope this will come out in my video, but that's, as you get closer, you can feel the cool blast of winds, like a Hoover, you know. I better just keep my eyes on the path. This is just some tourist. Oh, look at this, man. I mean, they put this safety line. I am really tempted to kind of just go forward, but I don't want to chance it. Look, I really don't want to chance it. Okay. I can't believe it. I don't know, guys. I'm doing my best for you here. Guys, don't try this at home, but I did cross the line. I did cross the line. And I'm gonna be very careful, as it might be very, very slippery. Check this out. I'm under it. Wow. Cooling off. Awesome. I am under the waterfall. Yeah, I'm not gonna chance it anymore. I think that's it. This is as close I'm gonna get to this place. Honestly. Wow. Guys, see you all later. The things I do for YouTube.